Hi, my name is Samara. Welcome to my channel. This is the second installment of the series I started, Veganizing the Mediterranean. It's really mainly going to be the Middle East rather than just the Mediterranean, but every now and then I might put something, some Spanish or Mediterranean food. But basically it's Middle Eastern food. So today's meal, today's recipe is called Tachina. Tachina is an Iraqi recipe, and the traditional way is to cook the rice with carrots and caramelized onions and spices and either slivered almonds or pine nuts and some raisins and the mincemeat. So instead of the mincemeat I used tofu, and the way I cooked it, I got the idea from Doesn't Taste Like Chicken. She has a YouTube channel and a blog. I will try to put her link in the information box. There are two ways of cooking this. Some people cook the rice and the mixture of carrots and meat and the other stuff separately, and then just add them together right at the end. I wanted to cook it together because I wanted the spices I wanted the rice to get all the taste and the spices as it cooked. I also added green peas just because I like green peas and because I wanted to increase the amount of proteins in the meal. Other than that, I really don't have much to say. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it. If you do, please let me know what you think of it. Hasta luego. This is brown rice that has been washed and soaked for half an hour. You can also use white rice. 2 large carrots, about 250 grams. 1 large onion. Tofu, peas, frozen peas. This is these are pine nuts, but you can use almonds if you don't have pine nuts. These are raisins, or you can use sultanas if you want. And this is a berry called barberry. It has a sour taste, and you can find this in Middle Eastern or Iranian grocery stores. You really have to wash it very well because it's usually very dusty and it could have small stones in it. For the spices, this is salt, pepper to taste, and about a teaspoon of turmeric. This is cilantro. This is a Middle Eastern mixed spice. It's called 7 spices. I will put down in the description box, I will put a quick way of making it. These is something that is used a lot in Iraq and the Gulf states, and it's basically it is dried limes. And you can use them as they are, or you can use them, you break them up I usually use the coffee grinder to grind them. Or if you want, they are like very lemony, limey taste. So what you can do, you can just make holes in them and soak them in hot water, and then use the water to cook. If you don't have them, just use the juice and the zest of one lemon or lime.